In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add vertical text in Wix, a popular website builder platform that empowers users with easy-to-use tools to create a stunning online presence. Our journey begins by entering the virtual command center of your Wix site, the Wix editor. This is the place where your creative ideas come to life as a fully functioning website. So make sure that you're already logged into your Wix account and have successfully navigated to the Wix editor for your site. When you're in the dashboard, lay your eyes to the left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a logo with a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to a pool of features that will enable you to enhance your site. Go ahead and click on this logo plus icon. Once you click on it, your screen will open up a multitude of options. Out of these, your target is labeled as text. Yes, the text label is your doorway to add a variety of text styles and formats on your page. So, let your cursor hover over this label and showcase your first stroke of creativity by selecting a text style that fits best with your website's theme. Now, simply click on your chosen style and drag it onto your page screen. Now that your text is sitting pretty on your page, it's time to let it stretch and go vertical. This is done using the text edit option. Look around for this option and click on it. Doing this will trigger a pop-up to appear covering your screen with a list of various text editing options. Take a quiet moment to scroll through these options and stop when you spot the one labeled as vertical. Yes, that's the magic button that will give your text a vertical existence. Show some boldness and click on it to enable vertical text on your web page. With vertical text enabled, you're now bestowed with the flexibility to play around with the size of your text box. Based on your preference, whether you like it slender or chunky, you can easily increase the size of your text box as per your requirements. And there you have it. You have successfully added playful, attention-grabbing vertical text to your Wix site. Hopefully, you found this tutorial to be useful and are feeling more confident about playing around with text styles on your Wix site. As you continue exploring more, you will find numerous ways of customizing your website, tuning it into a perfect symphony of your creativity.